something to be cozy in bed, which is made with saris, old saris of the women of the house. They kept for years, they gathered, and then they are reinforced through this straight stitch, which is a kantha stitch. A child is born, the warmest, the most worn out pieces of cloth, the kantha is made, baby kantha, and gifted to the child when you go to visit and see. Your daughter gets married, you have to give her the most intricate 6 kanthas, which you'll make from the day she's born. You want to give her. When a person dies and goes to the graveyard, the best piece is put on the body. It goes through the village and people say, whose household, whose wife made this? My husband suddenly died a few days before the inauguration of the school, and I started thinking, how am I going to build this school further, take it on till class 12? It will need all the infrastructure, just like the kind of schools we went to. As a Bengali, we all love our kanthas. We can never go to a shop and say, Dada, at the kantha dekhan. So that was my first tube light which lit in my head, and I thought, hey, I'm going to do it, and this is what I'm going to sell, and that's how I'm going to build the school. So in that way, right from the onset, kantha and school was connected. Dohar, Kudri, all these all over India where women with their old saris stitched together, they are not same as kantha because the stitch here is a lot of artistry, and maybe it's made with old cloth, new cloth, but it will be made in that Musalmani style जहाँ पे गिन के बनाया जाता है. गिन के means counting the back stitch through which you're forming these designs. It's like a lazy daisy stitch. So you're doing a number of plain stitches and the lazy daisy kind of a bokhya, the back stitch, and you're going straight on, and each line you're placing these bokhyas and forming these geometrical designs with precise symmetry, and nothing is asymmetrical, and each has a specific name which is very near to something she's using or she's seeing, like Hath Dhara Dhori Mora. Moras holding hands or stools holding hands. The triangle which they are forming, they are calling it Pan Khili. The one khili of a pan which you put between your cheeks and the teeth. And like this, there are more than 250 stitches, which is handed down from mother to daughter. But the moment you start doing something like this, where so many women are involved or women are involved, there will be areas of injustices happening. Husband's absence, husband's neglect, physical abuse, mental torture, children being neglected. So then I had to start the justice program and made our own triangle of Pankhili, which is education, justice and livelihood. So it's a triangle. of people in our class who need solitude, a space to be thinkers, to be intellectual. Even this person, he needs that space. And so many of these words are just development jargon, like holistic development. It's so commonly used, but various aspects neglect after 77 years of independence. We never get into it. So that's very important, and it's possible. We've shown it. We don't get funding from anywhere. Every development has to be keeping women at the center. Now this model is replicable. I have banged my head. The government is like a wall. I have no qualms about saying it. And people like us just bang our head and bleed. That every block. Now our subdivision is Kandi, which is one of the 5-6 subdivisions of Murshidabad district. Every block should have a center like this, where women come in, get work, and each area will have something different. It's our duty to bring it up in front. You're saving a very traditional word. So we are that class that can do. We are that class. We have the wherewithal. We have the outreach program within ourselves. And yet, we are the class who have chosen the safest path, and we have failed women and India, our generation. My hope is every block has a center where women can walk in. She's been abundant, she can stay there even for a few nights. My hope is that she can come, put forward her artistic sensibilities. My hope is that this center is dynamic, vibrant, that a woman can show their worth, because there has been, you can say, development. City level, we are seeing enormous rights, but let's cross our hearts, all of us. It's mostly that, yes, we earn our money, but when we come home, we throw our bags, we tuck in our sari pallu, and we are that same woman who has to be hot on the bed, charming in the front room, have all the children, get beaten up and be satisfied. Oh, men are like this. I'm not saying all men are bad, and I'm not saying all women are good. It's equal. But Purush Shashwato Dunya, we say, laws on the larger scale are made by a bunch of men in a room. Where is our involvement when we are 50% of the population? Is it just for votes? So that's my dream, that this center, women just come in just to laugh, have fun, celebrate their womanhood, their failures, and be that hub